What it do, broski?
Oh, you know the vibes.
What you got next?
I don't even know. Yeah. You know the vibes of whoop-dee.
It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Wise, man, rocking that official heat on feet tee, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's what I'm finna show y'all, bro, some heat for your feet. Finna show y'all some heat for your feet right now. But I need all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members alike, salute to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button for your boy right now, man. It'll help the channel move forward, bro. Trying to get about like 200 on this video, bro. Let's shoot for 200 likes on them this time, bro. You know what I mean? Let's get it going. Let's get it going. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you are subscribed and notified with the notification bell on all, big dog. We have a lot of fun over here, man. Hey, I'm a versatile YouTuber. We cover sneakers, hip hop, current events, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes I just hop on and kick it with the homies in the chat, you know what I mean? Always a lot of fun on this side, you know what I mean? If you've been rocking out for a minute, consider becoming a member. And with all that up out the way, broski.
What's next? I gotta get it. I'm not gonna stay fucking down. What's next? Give me something else.
Finna show y'all these new J's, man. Finna show y'all this fire. Make sure you hit that like button though, for real.
Savage! I'm a savage! Oh!
It's thundering and lightning outside, man. The kids downstairs having a good old time. They playing. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some might have young Rooster Man come up here and join me in a sec. Maybe not, never know, man. But let's get up in this box, broski. Coming in the box. I think I ordered these off Champs on stream one night. I was just kicking it with the dogs, like I said. I think I ordered these joints on stream from Champs, but it's showing a Foot Locker printing label, and I haven't ordered anything from Foot Locker, so I'm like, whoa, what's this? What's this? I'm assuming it is what I think it is, but you know what I mean? Like, yo, what's this? It say Foot Locker biggest day right there, like. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out though, for sure.
Quit smoking so much, baby. That smoke gonna take you out of here. Take you down somewhere.
Getting up in here. Hey, bang. Check it out. Black gold Jordan box. Oh, I know this. It's right. It's right. It's right. Everything right on it. Hold on. Let's check out that tag on it, dog. Let's check out that tag on it, dog. Peep the Carfax. Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. Y'all know I'm the mid god. Y'all know I'm the mid god, man. My size 10.5. White, laser orange, and black. What's up with this laser orange, man? You know what I'm saying? But we got the white, laser orange, black. Yeah. Style code 852342101, broski. And that's the Carfax on these jump, man. So let's get up in here. Let's see what we got. Opening up the box. White 23 gold stamps. White 23 gold stamps. Same old, man. There's some suede on these jumps, so you got the little green still. And yeah. Ooh. I slapped myself with the box. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Don't hit me, bro. I mean, hey, hit me and can't fight. Goddamn. Yo, shout out to season, man. But yeah, ooh, these tough, bro. Yo, hey, these tough, bro. Okay, we working with some. We working with something right here. Wow, on top of the box. Let's go. Let's get up in there. We are definitely working with something right here. These are nice, man. Very nice. The Air Jordan 1 Mid SCs are always dope to me, bro. I mean, I rock with just the regular mids too, but they go crazy with the mids. Y'all know I like my little mids, man. So let's start it off from the bottom. You know what I mean? Got that Good Money green on the bottom. Nike Air and the arch. Everything the rest, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what's up with this outsole, bro. Typical Air Jordan 1 outsole, white midsole. We got like, what's this, bro? We got like that winterized, waterproof, you know what I'm saying, swishy swooshy sweatpant material going on the overlay in black. Very dope going around that toe. On the actual toe, thick cutter leather, super thick cutter leather. It feel a little McDonald though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna fake that. Don't feel a little McDonald on the leather, but super thick cutter leather. We got leather surrounding the swoosh, and the swoosh is that winterized swooshy, you know what I'm saying, windbreaker type, you know what I mean? Whatever it is, y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's that type of material, that weatherproof material. You know what I mean? Back we got some suede. So this what? 1, 2, 3. We got 3 different materials on this sneaker. 4 if we count the tongue, the nylon on the tongue, and 5 if you count the sock liner. You know what I'm saying? Not the collar, cause we got the same collar in this yellow. This is yellow, bro, but they calling it Lazer Orange. You know what I'm saying? Lazer Orange hit right there on the wings. And yeah, we got white overlays and the smoother. Real nice. Now, okay, bro. Like, this leather right here is really nice. I'm not even joking. Like, the stuff on the toe is super duper stiff, but this leather on the collar is really nice, bro. I'm not even, like, no cap, Joe. Real nice leather on the
down.
Really nice leather going up here on the white leather on the collar. But then we got green again. You know what I'm saying? That's tough. That's tough. Check out the tongue, black. You know what I'm saying? Black nylon tongue. Same like nylon material going around there, whatever the case may be, but neoprene nylon, whatever that is. We got the Lazer Orange again on the jump, man. Everybody be wanting this to be a Nike Air, whatever the case may be, or what's wrong with the mid? Yeah, nobody has told me yet what's wrong with the mids. Y'all like, okay. Just the Nike Air alone on the tongue, that's what do it, or is it not high enough? Like, I still haven't heard a good enough reason, and I'm waiting. But we got a zigzag stitch on top of the tongue as well, and that Lazer Orange, and that's tough. That's tough, bro. Know what I mean? Check out the sock liner, what we got in there. Y'all see it? It's black with the Lazer Orange Jumpman in there. And yeah, man. Woo! Make sure you are subscribed. And be notified, have that notification bell on, bro. Make sure you turn it on all, cause y'all already know, bro. I'm gonna lace these up. You know what I'm saying? We gotta lace these up, see what they looking like with the lace up, lace up game. But I like the shoe, man. Let me know. They poop. I wasted my money. Was I tripping on this one? I'm gonna let y'all know, for me with the colors, bro, it's the colors. It's literally the colors. My high school colors, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Rockingham, North Carolina. I went to Richmond Senior High. You know what I mean? I am a Richmond Raider, bro. Green, gold, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm up here in the 757 Norfolk State. Green, gold, baby. My brother went to Norfolk State. That's crazy. He went to 2 schools and both of them had the same colors, that good green and gold. So the green and gold always been ingrained in my head. Like I love that color scheme. Green, yellow, you know what I'm saying? Green, yellow, white, green, yellow, black, green, yellow, however you mix it, however you put it. Green and yellow for me, it symbolizes my hometown, and I'ma always go with it long as I like it. Like, and this tough, bro. My opinion. I might be tripping. I don't think y'all gonna see too many more reviews on this sneaker on the tube, so please give your boy a like for that one alone. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna get up out y'all hair, get up out the way, end it off with a good old 360, and check back in. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? we gonna check back in, bro, because I got like 2 more sneaker boxes over here, and I gotta like lace these up, put them on feet. We gotta get some on foot visuals going for these, bro. Yeah, man. Make sure you got the notification bell on all and up out of here. Mob, man. Shout out to all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members like, man. Especially the ones that, you know what I'm saying? Especially the ones that rock with me, bro. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Doot. No, well, we up out of here, bro. Peace.